Hey folks, JD here, and again we're with the very loud Eachine E511S. Now yesterday's video, if you haven't seen it, you'll find it in the description, but it was ultimately, I was very happy. It was a great little quad. It did some distance, it came back, no problems at all. The camera looked okay. I'm hoping that today what we're going to do is we're going to record directly from the smartphone itself. Now I've got it screen recorded anyway, but what I want to do now is I want to ensure that we have a nice little timer. Yesterday's video was the full flight time of this was just, I think it was just over 14 minutes if memory serves. I was actually pretty quite happy with that. Today what we're going to be looking at is circle mode. So there are many different ways to make circle mode work. With quadcopters. With DJI, you click circle and it just automatically moves around you. You can alter the speed. Now with a lot of these toy grades, the Vizios included, as soon as you start circle mode, you've then got to use your left and right in order to move the quadcopter around you. So today what we're going to do is we're going to look at circle and see exactly how this does. So normally what I do for this is I have it pointing at me and then I will click the circle button. Now the circle button here is on the right hand side, the lower right hand side of your transmitter, and once you click it, it should, well actually it's going to do whatever the hell it wants to do. What's it going to do? Usually it comes up on the screen and says circle mode initiated, please control with, you know, sticks. Now it's kind of stopped there. I don't have any, oh I do, I have left and right, and as you can see as I'm moving it, okay I'm moving it flat out, it is then locked itself in place. I have no yaw response whatsoever, but I can move it left and right there and it just moves on without any problem. There we are, and I can stop it and I can fling it around the other way, and that's a little bit slow for it to do that, but it does actually complete the movement. And then what that means is if you've got a subject in the middle, like what I'm going to do in a second, is if I stop, if I just walk into the field of view, haha, no pun intended, but I'm in a field. Yes, I know, it's terrible. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stop circle mode for a second, and I'm going to position myself sort of, yeah, why not? And then I'm going to alter this camera down a little bit, just so that you can see me. I'm going to click circle mode, and then it beeped. Oh, no, it hasn't done anything. Okay. There we are, circle mode. I just clicked it. It's going to take itself off. Hopefully then it's going to come back, and then I can control it, because it does the initial movement, turn around and come back. There we are. It's going to come back a little bit. No, I'm going to have to position myself again. Further into the depth of the field we go, folks. Hopefully there's no lions. And then I'm just going to use standard left and right here just to move me around. There we are, a little bit. And its movements are already quite erratic when you do this. But as you can see, it does work. And I'm just going to stand here and it's just going to orbit around me or circle me, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's going to do it. And then if I stop it, there we are, it comes to a nice gradual. Well, no, it doesn't. It keeps on going, in fact, doesn't it? Look at that. My thumb's now off the stick, and it's still going. So let's push the other way. There we are, and with me pushing the other way, it now should go the other way, and then I can let go of the stick, and it'll just maintain its speed and orbit around without there being any problem. There we are. Well, that's orbit. Pretty cool, I imagine, if you're going to be having, like, I don't know, like a summer barbecue or something like that in a field like this, with you and your mates. You just want something to orbit around you. Nice little video for online. That'll look quite cool. There we are. Okay, let's stop that then. Click the circle button. Or not. Click the circle button. No, still hasn't stopped. Ah, there we go, because you actually have to stop the quadcopter totally before you disengage circle, or should I say before circle will disengage. So there we go. So I'm just going to walk back now to my bag. There we are. That's quite cool, and its camera actually looks pretty cool. To be fair, looking through this little screen, looks to be pretty good. But there we are. You can see, I don't know how well it's coming across on the camera, but because it's quite a dark morning, you can see those two LEDs so well. There we are, folks. Well, there we are. I hope you've enjoyed that. Only a short one today. That was circle mode, just to show you exactly how that works. And it works like a charm. So that's the first feature and function down without a problem. All right, my friends, join me tomorrow when we're going to be looking again at this particular quadcopter in a bit more depth and finding out exactly what she can and can't do with some other features. All right then, my friends, thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and ring that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.